Make sure you have editable form fields in the PDF file. Let's start Speed PDF application. Add PDF file and click on View Field button. Now you can see all PDF form filed ID and other information in this list. Let's export this list into Excel file. Speed PDF application saved two files in the desktop, one is Excel file and another one is PDF file. Let's open both the files. Now you can see text used in information saved in PDF file, example T1, T2. Add information in the Excel sheet as per PDF red mark ID, and make sure you have not deleted the first row in the Excel sheet. If you want to check the checkbox, then just write yes or OK in the Excel sheet. Once filled all the information in the Excel sheet, save the Excel, and import Excel file in the Speed PDF application. You can see all the Excel fields information are loaded in the application. Click on Build PDF button. If you want to save default Speed PDF name, just leave it as it is, or if you want to save PDF file as per Excel column name, just click and select the column. Here you can see two options, one is non-editable format and editable format. If you want to change or update information in the Excel sheet, make the changes in the Excel, and just click on Refresh button. You don't need to re-import Excel file in the Speed PDF application again. Get info. Here you can extract PDF form field information to an Excel sheet. You can extract single or multiple PDF file information to an Excel. PDF file name are saved in the last column. First one is to change output PDF file text case, like uppercase, lower, etc. You can change PDF stamp font and font color as well. Thank you for using Speed PDF. If you have any question or suggestion, please let me know. My email address is vkartikraman@gmail.com.